At SVS, we have two kinds of projects, and it's true really of every manufacturer. We have the completely fresh, new projects that are like nothing we've ever done before. A good example of that would be our 16 Ultra subwoofers. They've gotten tremendous response, and I think one of the exciting things about them was they were completely and totally different from anything we'd ever done before in terms of driver size, amplifier platform, pretty much everything. And that's of course true of SVS speakers. We launched our Ultra speakers and our Prime Series speakers, and they were replacing nothing. They were completely fresh and new and generated a whole lot of excitement because they were a total departure. But there's another kind of project, and I'm really excited about what I want to talk with you all about today. That's our 4000 series subwoofers, including 3 exciting new models. Our SB4000 sealed box subwoofer, our PB4000 ported box subwoofer, and our PC4000 ported cylinder subwoofer with all new cosmetics. When we embarked on our 4000 series subwoofer project, we knew we wanted to do this project development differently than any other subwoofer project we'd ever done, because after all, we were replacing a legendary range of subwoofers, our 13 Ultra subwoofers. The 13 Ultras are the most award-winning subwoofers SVS has ever made, and I would argue they're probably the most award-winning subwoofers anyone has ever made. And the range is from audiophile designations such as Stereophile's recommended components and Sound and Vision top pick of the year, to the CES Innovation Award, something that only an SVS subwoofer has ever won. So how do you replace a legend? Well, what we decided to do was take everything we learned from the legendary product, but also incorporate innovations from an even more advanced range of products, our 16 Ultra subwoofers. We combined what we feel was the best of both worlds, and we think we've created groundbreaking subwoofers in price ranges where this level of performance and user-friendly interface has never been offered. We refined an already existing masterpiece, our approximately 50-pound, meaning weighs more than most entire subwoofers, including the cabinet, 13.5 Ultra driver. And this is our all-new 4000 series driver, capable of incredible output, low frequency extension, but unbelievable control and speed in transients. But as we always say at SVS, a driver is only potential. You need an amplifier to deliver on the potential that the driver promises. And we had a platform that we absolutely knew could deliver on the potential if we could just bring it to the price ranges of our 4000 series. This is our all-new 1200D amplifier. It's 1,200 watts of continuous power, more than 4,000 watts of peak power. And just like the 16 Ultra amplifier that it is derivative from, it is fully discrete MOSFET output. With these fully discrete MOSFET outputs, we can deliver the necessary current to rise to every real-world challenge that an amplifier can have in driving such a competent but massive driver. Our 4000 series subwoofers also boast probably the most sophisticated power supply ever incorporated into a consumer subwoofer. Our power factor correction circuitry is essentially a line conditioner surge suppressor that can work with voltage fluctuations as low as 90 volts all the way up to 240 volts and still deliver accurate, full rated power. It also includes a ground loop isolation circuit so that the noise floor is super low and you never hear any hum in any installation. We marry that with Analog Devices' best DSP. As you may recall from our discussions of the 16 Ultra subwoofers, this level of sophistication in DSP is frankly unheard of in a subwoofer. It's typically used in full range products, but what it allows us to do is fully deliver on the potential that the subwoofer has. We fully optimize the frequency response curve for every subwoofer model, but also for maximizing how the subwoofer performs in a real-world room environment. Furthermore, because we have this sophisticated DSP, we have the industry's first subwoofer control Bluetooth connected smartphone app. And You've seen that if you followed our 16 Ultra launch, but now we've brought that full capability to the 4000 series price ranges. This is definitely a first. Very, very cool. Because the app is connected via your smartphone and a Bluetooth connection, it does not need to be line of sight. You can tuck the subwoofer behind a sofa, in a cabinet, and fully control every aspect of it. Because it's bidirectional, meaning two-way, anything you do on the front panel of the subwoofer will be reflected in the app, and of course vice versa. And if you don't want to control it from the front panel and you don't want to control it from your smartphone, you can also use our supplied credit card size remote. So 3 amazing innovations, an awesome 13.5-inch 4000 series driver with capabilities that are really unprecedented in this price range, our 1200D subwoofer power amplifier with more than 4,000 watts of peak power and fully discrete output and analog devices DSP, and our smartphone subwoofer control app. Our goal for the 4000 series subwoofers, which is pretty much always our goal at SVS, is to surprise and delight you with the performance you get, with the experience you get for the investment that you make. That was especially challenging with these subwoofers because they were designed to replace a legendary and probably our most awarded series, our 13 Ultra series. I am really proud of what the team accomplished with our 4000 series subwoofers, and I actually think you'll be impressed as well.